Welcome to Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. This resort is in the Deluxe Villas category. This is the closest resort to the Magic Kingdom. You can literally walk over to the park from here in less than 7 minutes. The lobby is small but very clean, inviting, and contemporary feeling. The building is a horseshoe shape with the pool in the back and fun larger-than-life games in the courtyard. There is a community hall that is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. where you can play games, watch movies, rent DVDs, rent sporting equipment, do art projects, and so much more. At this resort, there are deluxe studios that sleep 4, 1-bedroom villas that sleep 5, 2-bedroom villas that sleep 9, and 3-bedroom grand villas that sleep 12. We stayed in a 1-bedroom villa, Lakeview, but our amazing travel agent, me, requested a few choice rooms, and we luckily got one of those, which included a magical view of the castle. 1-bedroom villas have a king-size bed, queen-size sleeper sofa, and a twin-size sleeper chair. These rooms are fully furnished with a full-size kitchen, laundry units, 2 bathrooms, a living room area, and so much more. Let's take a look around. What's inside the cupboards. Lots of dishes, bowls, plates, mugs, everything you could possibly need while staying here. There's also a coffee machine with supplies and a toaster. There's also extra paper towel, cutting board, more dishes, and silverware. These drawers have a soft close, so that's great if you have little ones. As you can see, there's plenty of storage. Garbage and recycling bins under the sink. Plenty of glassware, including wine glasses. The washer and dryer are conveniently hidden in this little closet. Now let's check out the master bedroom and bath. There's a retractable wall which can be used for privacy. I just love the split bath with the toilet and walk-in shower in the other room. Our private balcony had two entrances, one from the master bedroom and the other from the living room area. It was perfect for fireworks viewing on the 4th of July. If you're hungry, you can find a small menu at the Cove Bar located by the pool, or take the short walk over to the Contemporary, where there are many choices for dining. This skywalk is located on the 5th floor and will take you directly into the Contemporary Resort. It is so convenient. There you'll find quick service and table service options along with several different stores carrying anything you could possibly need. Bay Cove Pool has a 148-foot long water slide and features zero depth entry. Adults can relax in the nearby Whirlpool Spa, and kids can splash around in the bubbling geysers of the adjacent water play area. Guests of Bay Lake are also welcome to use the main pool at the Contemporary Resort. Thanks for watching. When you're ready to book, contact me, Christy Buddha, at You Can Dream It Travel. My planning services are complimentary to you when you book with me.